Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the application process for a Serbia visa and outline the necessary documents for Indian nationals. Starting from January 1st, 2023, Indian citizens must obtain a visa before traveling to Serbia. However, Indian nationals who hold valid Schengen, UK, EU member states, or US visas, as well as those with residence permits from these countries, can enter Serbia without a visa for short stays. If you require a Schengen visa, you must apply for a short-term visa, C visa, which is suitable for tourism or private visits. Alternatively, you can apply for an E-visa for Serbia. If you need a physical visa, you must submit your application at the embassy or consulate of Serbia. Here are the required documents for the visa application. 1. A completed visa application form. 2. A valid passport issued within the last 10 years, which should be valid for at least 90 days beyond your intended departure from Serbia and contain at least 2 consecutive blank pages. 3. A recent passport-sized photograph. 4th, proof of accommodation in Serbia, for example, hotel booking. 5. A travel itinerary or return ticket. 6. Evidence of sufficient financial means for the duration of your stay. 7. Travel health insurance that covers possible medical costs up to €20,000. 8. An invitation letter if you are visiting family or friends. The visa fee is €60, and processing times may vary, so it is advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. For the most current information and guidance, please consult the official website of the Embassy of the Republic of Serbia. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find the information provided helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content, and feel free to share it with your friends. Let's spread the visa information together.